Hi guys, welcome to another video, and in this lesson we're going to be looking at the modern periodic table. In our previous video we saw that a scientist who goes by the name of Mendeleev, he made the contribution to the periodic table by ordering the elements according to their relative atomic masses. He also left gaps for undiscovered elements. But there were a few problems with Mendeleev ordering the elements by their relative atomic masses. And it wasn't until the discovery of protons that we was able to refine the periodic table. When we discovered protons, we found that we could order the elements according to their atomic number. And you remember from previous videos that atomic number just means the number of protons. So in our modern periodic tables, the one that you will see on your exam sheets and the ones that we see in books, the elements are no longer arranged according to their atomic mass, like Mendeleev, but we now order the elements according to their atomic number, or their number of protons. And if we look at the modern periodic table today, you can see that we have these vertical columns. And these vertical columns are called groups. And if we look at the periodic table, you can see that we have a numbered group 1, group 2, group 3, a group 4, 5, and 6. And we also have a group 7 and a group 8. The group 1 elements are called the alkali metals. We also have a group 7, sometimes called the halogens. And we have a group 8, which are called the noble gases, as all the elements in group 8 are unreactive. But what determines the reactivity of these elements in the different groups? Well, the reactivity is determined by the number of electrons in the outer shell. Or we could say the number of electrons in the highest energy level. For example, if you're in group 1, all the elements in group 1 have 1 electron in their outer shell. And this is why all the group 1 elements will have similar chemical properties. Just like if we look at group 8 or group 0, the noble gases, they all have a complete outer shell. Their outer shell is full. That means that all of the group 8 elements are unreactive. This section in the middle of the periodic table, we call these the transition metals. And we'll come across these transition metals in later videos. But the elements are also arranged in horizontal rows. And we call these horizontal rows periods. And the periods are numbered from the top down to the bottom of the periodic table. The period tells us how many electron shells are being filled. For example, magnesium is in the third period, which means magnesium contains 3 electron shells. Calcium is in the fourth period, and that means that calcium has 4 electron shells. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in. Stay in touch for another video.